Okay, now we have one more example here has been wrote. Okay, so here we are searching firstly last digit. If it is 1, then definitely 1's last digit becomes 1 only. So here D's value is 1, that we can easily understand. Now we are thinking for A. The nearby cube number of this pair is 3, 4, 3. It is cube of 7. So first digit is 7. So this I am writing first now. So we have got first and last pair. Now we are planning for finding C firstly. Okay. So what is the concept? Just subtract the cube. 1's cube is 1 itself. So only subtract here 1. What is that 1? It is a cube of D. Cube of D. 1. Okay, let it be subtract, no problem. 1 minus 1, 0. 4, 4. Now we have got here this second this digit, and that is what our 3CD squares last digit. Here what we got? 3CD squares last digit, and which is that? 4. Yeah, we have got just only. Okay, so now just add value of D square in it. If D is 1, then D square is also 1 into 1, 1. 1. Now 1 into 3 is 3C is equal to 4. 3C is equal to 4. Now see, 3 into what? Which is ends with 4. Now 3 8s are 24. Easily we can understand. So here we can say that C is equal to 8. Our first value we have found, C is equal to 8. Okay, that I want to write here firstly. 3 is equal to 8 we have gotten. We have got. Now we are searching for B now. So what did we do for finding B? Firstly we have to find value of 3CD square. Okay, so here we know the 3 into C, we know C is 8 and D square is 1 we know. Now so togetherly it is 1 into 8, 8, 8 3s are 24. So what did we get? Value of 3CD square. Value of 3CD square is 24. Just now we multiplied, and so we, to get value of B, first of all we should subtract this value of 3CD square. So let us subtract. So it is just only 2, 4. This already has been lapsed out. So now next term. So 4 into 4 always comes 0, 0, we know it. So now 4 minus 2. 2 is our ending digit of next term. 2 is our ending digit of next term. Now furtherly, so from it also we have to subtract something. I want to complete that number, so it would be helpful. Okay, so now here from this we are going to subtract our next, that is 3C square D we are finding and we are subtracting from it. Okay, so just 3C square D we are finding firstly. 3C square is 8 8s are 64 and D is itself 1, so let it be. Now 64 into 3, 3 6 are 18 and 12, 192 we have just got value of 3C square D. Okay, so now our this term 3BD square plus 3C square D is equal to, what is the ending digit we have just found here? 2. Is it? Okay, now so 3C square D's value just only we have found, that we are adding here 192, and here D's value is, D square's value is 1 itself. So 1 into 3, 3B. Now just keep this 192 are here plus. If there I am taking, then those would be minus. Those would be subtract from it. So 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2. Now, so here 3b is equal to 0, ending digit is 0. Okay, now so think by what you can 3 multiplied by what is equal to 0. 3 multiplied by what is equal to 0. Then 3 zeros are 0. That's only his answer. 3 zeros are 0. Nothing can comes. Okay. So 3 zeros are 0. So means our B is equal to 0. That's it. B I am writing here. Our answer is 7081. Yeah. Okay. So now next one example we are taking, and there a little bit again more understanding would be there through our that example. Okay. Now I am taking this example. The example is okay. I wrote the example. Now we can find easily A and D. Our D would be 5. Our A would be nearer cube numbers 27. It means our A would be 3. That we know, so not explaining. Okay. Now we are firstly to find the value of 3c square d. Firstly to find the value of 3c square d, we have to subtract cube of our d, that is 125. Cube of 5, 125. I am going to subtract. So here always comes 0, we know it. So now here 5, 2. But 8 another also digit we are going to subtract. This is our end digit of 3cd square, we know it. And those all digit I just want to write. Okay, let it be. So now here we found the last digit. It means here we can say that 3cd square is equal to dot dot 5 dot dot 5. Now just add d square in that. 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75c is equal to dot dot 5 dot dot 5. Here you can find that 5 watts are 5. So here one possibility is 5 ones are 5, and another possibility is 5 5s are 25. In previous 2-3 example, in previous all example, always only one possibility was coming. So here are two possibility. So means what can we understand? Our C could be 1 or C could be 5. So then what to do? So let us take let us suppose just only we have the value C may be 1 or 5, but in the beginning just suppose 1 is, C is 1. We have to suppose just only. We have found two values, but here we are supposing C is 1. Okay, what to do afterwards we will think. Okay, so we got temporarily C is equal to 1. Now just we are going to find 3cd square. 3cd square. 3cd square. So value of d 5. So d square is 25. C just we define 1 and it is 3. So togetherly this term's value is 75. This term's value 75, that we are subtracting from it. Again ending digit comes 0, we know it, and now here 1 taking from here. So 12 minus 7, 5 is that. Okay, so this is a digit. What is the ending digit of our second term? What is our second term? That I want to write here. 3bd square plus 3c square d, okay, is equal to our ending digit is 5. Now we can find value of 3c square d. 3c square d. Okay, so here 3c square d finding is going on. So 3 is there. C we have defined as a 1, so 1 square is 1 itself, and d is 5. So 5 3s are 15 we got a value of it. Yeah, if that 15 would be subtracted, would be taken here, so and subtracted, then 5 minus 5 0 would come, 0 would come. So here what can we understand? 3bd square is equal to ending digit 0 is coming, ending digit 0 is coming, and now d's value here is d square, 5 5s are 25, that is just remain 5 5s are 25, so means 75 b has remained with us. If that 75 is multiplied by b, and if we are taking here, then something minus 0 0 only comes. So here sorry, I'm extremely sorry, here we are getting what? 75b is equal to ending digit is, so 5 words are 0, 5 words are 0. Here is really one great experience for us. Okay, so it can be 5 2s are 10, 0. It can be 5 4s are 20, 0. It can be 5 6s are 30s, 0. It can be 5 8s are 0. And so this can be, this can be, this can be, this can be. So our 4 possibilities have to check down, but we are taking first possibility. Just previously from 5 and 1 and 5 we taken just 1 and proceeded it. That like we have taken, we will take second possibility. And 2 as an answer we are choosing. Here we had chosen from 1 and 5 we had chosen 1. Yes. So now still we cannot say this is only answer. We have to check by digit sum method. We have to check it by digit sum method. If our answer would be wrong, then again we have to revert to solve our example. Okay, so what is digit sum method, that I want to tell you. So this example already we have found. So all the step I want to cancel it down, means I want to rub it down. So in the digit sum, what are we doing? That number I want to write back again here, 3 3 2 3 0 9 6 3 3 7 5, and here that cube 3 2 1 5 cube. Okay, those value we have just now, means okay. So now how to find the digit sum, to check the cross check the our answer is correct or not, that we are going to find. So what is the way of finding digit sum? Just add all those digits in each other. Okay, so we are just only adding 3 and 3 6, 6 and 5 11, 11 and 9 20, 20 and 9 29, 29 and 10 39 and 5 45. So again 45 digit also to add in each other. 4 plus 4 8 we have got. So now stop. When that like added its digit sum this much. Now again 4 plus 4 8 came. Now one digit came, then we have to stop. Now here also find its digit sum. So 3 and 2 5, 6, 6 and 5 11 is that. Now 11 also again 1 and 1 2 is that. So 2's cube is equal to 8. If 8 and 8 is being matched, then definitely we can say our this answer is correct, and also by our manual method or by using calculator you can check it, that is correct. But if those digit sum would not be equal, then you would have to try phi apart from 1 for the value of c. Then that in that way further values could be, you could get different. Okay, in that way you could cross check your this example. So this answer is correct, so I am rubbing this example. Okay, now we are turning one more example. This is one type, just we learn how to check our example. Okay, now